Alright, we're hitting this primer today. We're getting after it. We'll be back. Alright, we got a coat on. I gotta get a better rag. I'm leaving nibs in it. Sand them out and then hit them again. Well, this one turned out a little better. Yeah, we gotta find better rags because you see what it left in it. I'm gonna let this dry and sand that out and get something better. Alright, we got everything primed up. We got about 4 coats on the hood. We only got one good heavy coat on the doors. That's why they look a little thin, but we'll hit them when we mix up some more primer. But we got 4 coats on the T-tops. They turning out pretty good. They just need to be sanded. And then there's the other door. See if we can get that in there. Sun's killing me. There we go. We got it done. We're just getting primer on everything. We're gonna sand it all down. Put another probably 2 more coats on these, on the T-tops and the hood, and then probably another 4 coats on that. 3 coats probably. Sand them down smooth, and then we'll be ready for base coat. All right. That's all we got done today.